everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now all we have to do is to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the full list of all previously visited websites. So of course if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But let's be honest, if this list is so wide, then probably you do not really have the time to do it manually. Then I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So what's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. And if you're ready, just tap on clear data. Just tap on it. And as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is currently empty, which also means that we successfully removed actually everything. So starting from this list of visited websites and ending on, for example, saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your Xiaomi 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.